Hello guys. When your Philips Sonicare toothbrush starts flashing its light again and again, it usually means the toothbrush is trying to show a status or warning instead of working normally. You might see the light blinking during use, while charging, or even when the toothbrush is idle. This can make it confusing because the toothbrush is not clearly telling you what the exact problem is. In most situations, flashing lights are linked to battery level, charging condition, or a small system delay inside the toothbrush. Since this device uses light signals instead of a screen, understanding these signs becomes important for proper use. Ignoring the flashing may lead to poor performance or sudden stopping during use. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Philips Sonicare toothbrush light that keeps flashing. Try these. 1. Place the Philips Sonicare toothbrush on the Philips Sonicare charger and check the response. 2. Allow the Philips Sonicare toothbrush to charge completely before using it. 3. Clean the bottom of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush and the Philips Sonicare charger surface. 4. Remove the Philips Sonicare toothbrush from the charger and restart the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. 5. Observe the light pattern on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush after restarting. 6. Use the Philips Sonicare toothbrush again and confirm the flashing light issue is resolved.